Hey guys, it's Cass from the Perris Library, and if you didn't know, it's the third week of our summer reading program, and this week's color is orange. So, orange you glad? We're going to be making some pixel art this week. If you came by the library this week, that means you picked up a really cool craft kit. And in that craft kit, we got a bunch of stuff, and all we ask for you is a hot iron and tweezers, so please have a parent or guardian help you out if you need assistance. You will have 96 orange beads, 75 black beads, 13 gray beads, and 2 white beads. And I'm just showing you the iron I'm using and the tweezers I'll be using. The only thing you will need is just those two things. Everything else I provided for you. One thing I did not show on here is the parchment paper, and that was my bad. But here it is. It's right there. I got it. Alright, we're going to get started, and we're going to take that red tape on top so that our double-sided tape is nice and free, and we can start sticking our beads onto our little spaceman that we're making. I started with the black beads first so I can make the outline and work my way in. As you can see, I already made my way in, and I'm just finishing it up with the orange beads. This is what it should look like once you're done, and it shouldn't fall or anything. And just press it on a little bit more, and then you're going to grab that parchment paper that I showed you, and we're going to stick it right on top so it covers our spaceman. And we're going to have our hot iron ready. And you're just gonna go ahead and just start making little circles. Remember, if you can't do this, have a parent or guardian help you out. Once you're done fusing all the beads together, you're going to take it off that paper, and it's just gonna peel off just like this, so if you do it correctly. And then you're going to put the parchment paper once more, and then melt the beads once again. And it should look like this. I hope you enjoyed this craft for our summer reading program, and I hope this inspires you to make more pixel art. It's really easy and fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now let's move on to a book recommendation for this video. Our first book is Come On In, and it's edited by Avi Al-Said. This book is shaped by the minds and lives of people being an immigrant. Tells you where, how, and what they felt. Each story a new and similar experience that really puts you in their shoes. If you want a book that will make you laugh and cry, this is the book for you. Our next book is Super Mutant Magic Academy by Jillian Tamaki. This book really knows what a teenager is like. You are sure to laugh and stay interested, with secret crushes going around and a teacher that knows them all too well, and plenty of weird things. You are sure to love this read. For more information on these books or books like this, please visit our website. There you'll find all types of resources we offer in all our Riverside County branches near you. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you guys next week.